Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change the color of your background in Blender, and I will also show you how to change this color without affecting the meshes or the models that you have in your project. So I will use a weather satellite as an example here, and what I want to do with this weather satellite or with this world is that I want to add a black background. And you can see now I have a gray background. So what most people do is that they go to the world properties. When they want to change the background, they just go to world properties, to surface, the background of the world. They go here to surface and they change the color right here. But as you can see, this option is affecting your mesh. For example, this metal looks more greenish, green, and in my case, I want to have it like a dark black background to simulate the space. But you can see that this is affecting my mesh, and I don't want that. I just want to have a background that doesn't affect my mesh. So in order to do this, you need to go to your shading workspace, and here you need to go to your world shader type, and you will have these two options here. All you have to do is to add three things: add a background, a light path, and a mix shader. Just put it right in the middle between the background and the world output. And don't forget to put this in the render viewport. So you have it there. You can see now I have the gray background, and now I will use in the light path, I will take the camera ray and I will put it here in the FAC. And the other background, the second background, will go, so remember to put the right side of the nodes, put the background on the shader. And you have your background. And you can see how it is not affecting your mesh. For example, I want to put it like, you select your color here, and I want to put it like black, and the black color is not affecting my mesh, and that is exactly what I want. You can use any color that you want here, like this, and that's it. You go to your layout and you start animating or modifying your mesh. So yeah, I hope you found this video useful.